Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Happy Saturday, February 4th. We are at the Universal Studio Hollywood, celebrating my daughter's birthday. I was traveling a lot. I wasn't able to celebrate the birthday on the same day, January 26th. Now I'm back to LA and celebrating my daughter's birthday at Universal Studio. A lot of people coming around now. Early morning Saturday. Hope to have a great time in Universal City. And here's what it looks like. The stores are ready to open now. Dongwo Kitchen. Alright, Chocolate Emporium. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright, here is a Transformer ride. Very interesting. And I can see the robot here. It looks crazy, scary. It looks scary.
Together with friends, not playing against them. If you find the Prime, return. Show your face here.
Speak loudly, girl.
Hello, how are you? Great. How exciting for you. This conversation is sickening. Turn around, poach. Put your feet on the feet. Don't just run away scared. This is your fault, isn't it, Red Coat?
Yeah, it's just for me.
You're doing a terrible job programming.
That seaplane? They have a seaplane! Mac, I lost him! Where is he? Incoming from the south!